Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. It's a brand new year, and with this comes many goals for 2021. One goal I have is to paint more things that I want to paint and what I want to see. I don't want to spend all of my time on commissions and not paint anything for myself or my Etsy shop. I often get frustrated and overwhelmed when I don't know what to paint, and it gets really bad. I just shut down. It's not good. So I've made an actual list of things that I want to paint, and I'm gonna check each of those paintings off one by one. I'm not pressuring myself too much with this, but if I'm just at the point where I want to give up and lay my head down on my desk, I'm going to look at that list. I've already done a few so far. As you'll see, I've been quite productive this week, and every week isn't like this. I have this dream of painting magical and adventurous little animals that wear circlets, hold lanterns, wield swords, things that just make me think of Lord of the Rings or World of Warcraft. I love that game. So I challenged myself this week and I painted some magical critters. I asked people over on my Instagram stories what they wanted to see me paint this year, and someone said a squirrel, so I did just that. I absolutely love rendering fur, and I think this little guy turned out really well in the end. So I did get frustrated with some bits, as you'll see. I didn't want to edit out any of my mistakes. There's always something to improve on with watercolor, so I thought I'd just keep those in the video, keeping it real. And sorry, there are jets flying around today, so if you hear that in my voiceover, I really do apologize. So I'm just using my Winsor Newton Professional Watercolor block paper. I've had the most success at painting fur with this paper. Everything just blends so well, and I'm able to add those minute details with one of my tiniest brushes, which is like a 20-0, I believe. And here's my little puppy. I had to go over and pet her. She whines a lot to go play outside with me. Because if I let her out, she just stands at the door and wants me to go chase her. She's a bit spoiled, but yeah, sadly I had to get some work done, so sorry, Scout. By the way, I'm just mainly using a couple of different ochres, sepia, Prussian, and burnt sienna. And I use pretty much the same color palette for what's not pretty much, I do. I use the same colors for my next painting. And I'm gonna try to link everything down below. Guys, I got so frustrated with this stump, and I couldn't make up my mind of what I wanted to do with it. I think the issue is that I was just trying to come up with everything on my own and not use any reference photos. But yeah, I was not very happy with it, so I kept lifting the color back up, and eventually I just gave up until I was done painting the squirrel. I just need to do some tree studies with bark, textures, and light. Let me know in the comments if you'd want me to film a video like that. I didn't take as much time on this stump as I should have, but you live and you learn. I struggled trying to get the shadows around his mouth right, but in the end I prevailed, I think. And I tried to add some fur here, but I was like, no, I need my tiny brush for this. I'm very happy with how the fur turned out, but oh gosh, not the book bag. I wish I would have kept it orange like this, but you'll see I'll add gouache over it and make it more of an off-white color, and I'm just like, no, I can't believe I did this. It was so cute orange. I'm gonna release this as an art print in my Etsy shop soon, so I may change the color of his book bag in Photoshop. I don't know yet. I'll have to think about it. Maybe it'll grow on me. And I also finally darkened up the left side here, but I somehow didn't film that part, so... So that's it for the squirrel. Now I wanted to paint a sleeping fox again. I painted one before on my YouTube channel for a tutorial on fur, but this one is totally unique and different from the last one I did. Like I said at the beginning of this video, I wanted to paint animals wearing crowns and circlets and such, so I finally challenged myself to do this. This one's crown just had branches and leaves and lichen on it, but I'd also like to paint gold or silver headpieces. It would just be so pretty and magical. I just love this type of thing. One of the keys to painting with watercolor is working from light to dark, especially if you're in doubt. Sometimes it's hard for me to establish a good base color to begin with, so I have to go back over my highlights, but it's better than starting off way too dark. I feel like I'm the slowest painter because these took a good chunk out of my workday. I believe the squirrel took me around 8 hours and I did it all in one day. Monday, and then I split up this fox painting for Tuesday and Wednesday, which took me around 4 hours, so 2 hours each day. Also, Tuesday and Wednesday, I was just ordering a lot of new supplies for my Etsy. I'm so excited for my next shop update. I've been digitizing my work this week as well, and I'm just preparing for prints and stickers. I've never done stickers before, so I'm just really excited to try it out. I've done a ton of research this week on the sticker paper to buy for my printer. I have the Canon Pixma Pro 100 printer, and it's inkjet, and I also wanted to be sure that I got a good quality sticker paper, so I'm gonna test it out, but I think I got a really good weatherproof one, a vinyl sticker. So I'm gonna be hand cutting those out for now. My dad, he did just get a Cricut, so I might go over to his house and test it out, but I don't see myself investing in that type of thing because it's really expensive, but I bought some really cute things for my packaging that I think my customers will really enjoy. I'm just gonna let this video roll from here on out. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that these time lapses were relaxing and really motivated you to start painting, but even if you don't want to paint, that's okay. It's always great to take a nice break. Sometimes I do get overwhelmed too, and I don't even want to touch my paintbrush. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for my Etsy shop update. I'll definitely let you know when it goes live on my Instagram at Dainty Paints. And I don't know if you can hear, but Scout is whining at my door now, so I'm gonna go ahead and go. I hope that you enjoyed the rest of this video. Bye. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you did like this video. It really helps me out, and it just helps me make more videos like this. So yeah, okay, bye for real now.